the great work that you've done, I was wondering this. Have you ever had a bad audition?
You know what? I've really not ever had a lot of auditions in my life. And when I get them, I take it all very seriously.
We've heard a lot of women in Hollywood say, when you get over 40 plus and whatnot, things start to diminish. Is it changing?
It's unbelievably hard.
Yeah.
There aren't roles for women, who are older. There aren't roles for women who are younger. There might be a lot of women working, certainly not enough, but even then, they're usually not all that interesting a character. It's usually the man's story, and the men's, and the women are just sort of accoutrement.
I thought Mary Todd Lincoln was very strong, and this movie wouldn't have been what it was.
I agree, and I fought like crazy for it, and that's why.
Yes.
Yeah, there's a few every year that women are good, strong, complicated. Not even strong, just complicated. They could be weak, complicated, three-dimensional characters. But compared to how many films there are where there are men doing really complicated three-dimensional characters, and it will continue to be until what's going on behind the cameras is totally equal.
You mean more women at the decision-making table?
Yeah. I mean, men who are buying the properties, who are developing the properties, who are making sure that the properties get funded and get money. And the people who do that are mostly men, and until that women are in it, can fight their way in it, can find their way in it in a more equal way, it just won't. It will just be, the percentages are shocking.